Hey, what is going on, everybody? Kyler back from Not So Bearded Reviews, here with my second unboxing. I'm going to start doing some more unboxing, or unpackaging, whatever you want to call it. Same difference. But this one here I got actually from the United Kingdom. It's from England. And there's quite a bit of stuff I want to tell you guys about. Actually, it's pretty cool. But I'm going to wait and do that in the review. I'll get into all that stuff. But I do want to open it, and it is from Apothecary87. They have expensive products like this oil right here. This is a 10 milliliter or a 0.34 ounce of beard oil for $10. It's a little thing. Or you can get a 50 milliliter or 1.69 ounces for like $38. So it's pretty expensive, but it is a vanilla mango. And I've been trying to find a good beard oil like that, and let's hope that it's good. You know, there's not so many reviews on it or anything like that. So we're going to see what we got here, guys. Let's open it up. My handy dandy knife here. Let's see. And by the way, guys, when I got this, it came by DHL Express shipping. It came quick, but I went down, they said it was delivered. I went down to, I started to walk down to my mailbox to go and see if it was here. And it was just, I seen something in my driveway, and it was just sitting in the middle of my driveway. I guess, I don't know, they must have drove up and just tossed it out into my driveway or something. I don't know, but I wasn't very happy about that. And I sent DHL an email and everything, but that's besides the point. Let's open up this thing here. I've been excited to get this. Opening it up here, guys. Be very careful. At least it comes packaged very good. So I guess if he did toss it. Holy. Just gonna cut right through that. Apothecary87. I will have the link in the description below if you guys want to go check them out. But I will have a review on this eventually once I try it and everything. So definitely stick around for that. Alright. There we go, guys. Get a good look at that. Turn it around so you guys can see each side of it really quick here. Guy's got a sweet beard here. And this is the top here. And the back, that's just there. But let me see if it has anything for ingredients. It does have the ingredients here, but I'll go over all that in the review. But let's open this up really quick, guys. Oh, okay. Look at this little thing. Just a little bottle. But if it's as good as I'm hoping, it's going to last me because I'm going to savor this here. Alright. Cool. Come with a little card here. I got a new light too, guys, I'm trying out. It's actually pretty dark in here right now, but my light's making it much better. Put that right back in the box. And here is the little bottle. I have been waiting for this. Hasn't really taken that long to get here. I've just been really excited. Alright, let's see. Opening it up. Here we go. Ooh. Whew. That's different. Whew. Definitely fruity. Got a little bit out here. Dumped a little bit out into the hand here. Let's see what we got. Oh, man. Woo! That's going right in the beard. That's why I wanted to unbox it so bad. I wanted to get it on my face. Whew. Man, guys, I'll tell you right now that has a really nice fruity scent to it. Ah. Well, I can say definitely a thumbs up for right now, guys. Definitely has a good scent to it. It is the vanilla and mango by Apothecary87. So, link will be in the description if you want to try it out. I will have a review coming pretty soon. There'll be a couple weeks. I got some other reviews to come out still, but I will be trying this definitely and get a review out for you guys. But wow, whew. I recommend trying it, guys. Already, it is expensive, like I said, but Apothecary87 vanilla and mango. There's my unboxing, unpackaging, guys. So stick around. I'll have a review for it, and I got a review coming very soon. So stick with me, guys. See you next time. Later.